just taking a quick look at these back seat covers. These are organizers, they have pockets, but you know, the kind of the main appeal here obviously is you're going to use it to protect your seat. You know, you got your kid, you know, jamming their little dirty shoes up against your seat there. I mean, look at that, you know. Now, obviously, the thing that they don't mention in this listing is the cover itself, you know, is going to get dirty as well. They never show that, right? But they do say it's easy to clean. In fact, I wouldn't really recommend wiping it clean. I mean, it's kind of, you could just wipe your seat, right? The main appeal here is they're saying it is machine washable. And the reason it's machine washable is because it's more like a fabric. They actually say this is like a polyester leather combination. So if you do wash it, you know, don't dry it. Don't dry it, just let it hang dry. But as you can see here, you know, it's just kind of hanging loose here. It's just a loose sheet. It's not like a rigid thing like the main photo makes it look like it seems. You know, so it is going to be a little bit wrinkly. But still, it's going to protect your seat. And, you know, you're going to get some storage pockets here as well. So that's kind of nice. Now, there are different options here. And it's got this iPad holder built in. So it's like a giant pocket that just has, you know, clear plastic over it. But think about that. You can put your iPad in there and you basically convert your rear seat into like the rear seat entertainment. You ever seen these cars that have like this $3,000 rear seat entertainment option? You know, basically it's like the same thing. It's just, you know, you can do it here with this like $20 storage pocket car mat protector seat thing, right? So this is interesting. You might find that appealing, actually, and especially since you're getting two of these as well. And with this model, you do get the storage pockets as well. In fact, you get more of them, so there are pockets down below. So again, not ideal if you're just, you know, concerned about the muddy shoes thing. Now, a few things to kind of note about this. They say tap and watch. Yeah, you're probably, there's no way that the touchscreen thing is going to work through that little plastic cover that holds it. I don't think it is. I don't think it is. And also this one here, snack ready, you know, make sure your kid is buckled in. I mean, this kid looks like he's ready to jump out of his seat. Now, speaking of buckles, this is how you actually install it. You know, there's two of them actually. So they say quick and simple. Yeah, the one going around the headrest is probably going to be pretty easy, but there is another one at the base. So this one, you know, I don't know. It's going to be, you got to have to wrap it around the entire seat. And by the way, the dimensions for this iPad holder, it's not that big, 10 by 7. So the iPad would have to actually be a little bit smaller than that even. I'd like to see a model where get rid of these side pockets. Let's just, you know, can we have a model that just has a huge pocket there? So yeah, it's just kind of a quick look at this back seat cover, organizer, seat protector, whatever, you know, whatever you're going to use it for, entertainment, you know, whatever. So yeah, hopefully you found it interesting or helpful. And yeah, thanks for watching.